I would like to request all of you, please rise for American National Anthem. Saye Khudaye Zuljalal.
I would like to invite Asif Malik. He is a trustee of Main Township and a main organizer of this wonderful event. Please give him a big hand.
I want to welcome each and every one of you this evening and extended my warmest wishes for Pakistani Independence Day. Freedom is a God-given right for each human being, and yet there are millions who do not breathe free, and that's why we must never take our freedom and civil right for granted. Now, I am excited to officially announce that I am running for re-election as a Main Township trustee in 2025 election. As I seek this position for the second time, my commitment to serve our community with integrity, transparency, and a clear vision for our future remains stronger than ever. With your support, we can work together to create lasting, positive change for our Main Township. Let's move forward, united and ready to build brighter tomorrow. I want to welcome all of the elected officials, Mayor Desplain, Mayor Parkridge, and my all the board members, and our Council General, our judge, my favorite judge, John Andre. Thanks for coming. And Homeland Security team, Kaleem Khan and his team. I also want to acknowledge and thank my team for their support, especially Rana Javed, Pakistan News, Sarwar Siddiqui, Niaz Tony. Without their support, I was not able to do this program. And I also, Rana Sahib is going to be thanks all the sponsors. God bless Pakistan. God bless America. Pakistan. Thank you, guys.
We are fortunate enough here that we have lot of Muslim deputies and sergeants and lieutenants who Tom Dart hired in last 15 years. And fortunately enough, I'm part of that team also. I've been working with Sheriff Tom Dart since 2010. I would request Chief Brad Curry, who's the #2 man in the Cook County Sheriff Department, and all his associates, including Adnan Mehman, who is a Chief Technical Officer, Mr. Patel, who is a Chief Information Officer. We have a team of the sergeants and lieutenants. Come this way. We have Ayman Zubaydah, who is also a deputy, Ayad Awad, as I mentioned, Adnan Mehman, Sajid Hadri, your very own, you know, most of you know in this area, Sajid Hadri is always patrolling and always asking the mosque if they need anything. Anytime there is a racial profiling, there is a discrimination against the minorities, Sheriff Department is there to assist the community. So without any further ado, I would request Chief Curry to say a few words and tell us what the Sheriff Department have been doing for the last 15 years. Thank you. Please give him a big hand.
Well, I don't know how I can top that. Salman is a fabulous partner and a guy that we have worked with for so long. I consider him family. That when he calls, I know it's important. I don't ignore his call. I respond just like we always do to everybody. But you are so lucky to have a leader like him and somebody who cares about the community the way that he does. I cannot tell you how often we talk throughout the year and how often we talk whenever there's something concerning for the community. I'm very, very honored to be here today. I'm very honored to be a friend of Salman and of your community, and we will always be here for you. If there is ever anything that you feel we are missing, we want to know about it. Please let me know. To all the other elected officials that are here, thank you for being here. Thank you for bringing yourself out in this wonderful day. We're so blessed to have this day. But thank you, and I look forward to working with all of you. No, but thank you very much for being here, and thank you all. And have a great night, and bless you all.
बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। आज हम पाकिस्तान का 77वां यौम आज़ादी बड़े जोशो खरोश से मना रहे हैं। हमें मुल्क के लिए कम से कम एक होना चाहिए। We stand with the Pakistan. We have to be one under the umbrella. Pakistan is our country. पॉलिटिकल जो भी है वो वहाँ है। यहाँ पे हम सबको एक होके चलना चाहिए और एक होके रहना चाहिए। और मैं सब स्पॉन्सर का 1 by 1 शुक्रिया अदा करना चाहता हूँ कि जिन लोगों ने हमारे साथ बहुत ताउन किया। और स्पेशल थैंक्स तो मैं मीडिया का अदा करूँगा, और जिसमें हमारे खुरम भाई हैं फ़ोटोग्राफ़र, और आफ्ताब हैं, और खलील भाई हैं, और बोदीवाला हैं। ये सब आज दोस्त इकट्ठे हुए हैं पाकिस्तान डे को कामयाब करवाने के लिए। गाहे बखाए आपके साथ आता रहूँगा मैं। स्पेशल थैंक्स एवरीबॉडी। और बहुत से लोगों का शुक्रिया भी अदा करना रह गया है, वो बाद में दूसरे सेक्शन में करूँगा। और मैं अब माइक कामरान के हवाले करता हूँ, और कामरान जो है ना मज़ीद आप लोगों के साथ बातचीत करेंगे। थैंक यू वेरी मच।
This is the time I would like to call upon the Maine County Trustee Kim Jones, James Meyer, and Peter Gilemes, Clerk of Maine County. And at the same time, I would like to call Asim Bhai to come on and give him the few words.
Karen Diamond, Supervisor, Maine Township. Kelly Harvat, Trustee, Maine Township.
Hello, everybody. Thank you so much for coming out. What a wonderful crowd. We at Maine Township are your main form of government for the local area, and we're very proud to serve you all. So we look forward to you coming in, meeting us at the township. I'm the clerk, can help you with passports or anything else you would need in the clerk's department.
Hi, I'm Kimberly Jones, trustee Maine Township, and what a beautiful evening. This is the third one that I've attended, and I can't believe how it just keeps getting better and better, and more people come to enjoy this beautiful event that Asif Malik and all the others have planned. And so we welcome you to Maine Township and have a wonderful time, and thank you so much. And this is Trustee James Maher.
Hi, how are you? James Maher. Thank you for coming. First time elected official, very privileged to be here. Thank you to my good friend Asif Malik for organizing, and thank you to Pakistan for their celebration. We love you all. Have fun. Karen Diamond.
Good evening. I'm Karen Diamond. I'm the supervisor of Main Township, and I'm really excited to be here. It is wonderful to look at this crowd. Congratulations. I'm so happy to be here celebrating with you Pakistan Independence Day. We at Main Township have many services. Please stop by our offices on Ballard Road, 1700 Ballard Road. We've got a lot to offer the community. Please come in and see us. The mainstreamers, the senior services, our food pantry, all types of other services. So please get to know us. We love to see you. And I want to pass the microphone to Kelly Horvath, another one of our trustees.
I just want to echo what everybody else has said. Thank you so much for being here. What a wonderful crowd. And I think we just need to get to the music and party. So.
Good evening, everybody. Assalamu alaikum. I am State Representative Michelle Mussman. That means I represent portions of Des Plaines, Elk Grove, Schaumburg, Hoffman Estates, Hanover Park, and Roselle. I am delighted to be here tonight. I'm glad you have such a beautiful evening. Happy Pakistan Independence Day.
A lovely friend, a lovely prominent community figure I would like to call Consulate General of Pakistan, Mr. Tariq Rahim.
Thank you, elected officials, members of the Pakistani American community, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen. It is my great pleasure and honor to join you in the Main Township here. And I am particularly impressed by this large gathering full of enthusiasm and patriotism. मैं सबसे पहले आप सबको पाकिस्तान इंडिपेंडेंस डे की मुबारक देना चाहूँगा। बहुत बहुत मुबारक हो आपको। जैसे अभी बात हो रही थी कि जो फ्रीडम है, जो इंडिपेंडेंस है, वो फॉर ग्रांटेड नहीं है। पाकिस्तान को बनाने के लिए बहुत अनथक कोशिशें की गई। ये कोई फॉर ग्रांटेड नहीं था। तो आज हम अपने तमाम रहनुमाओं को खराज तहसीन पेश करते हैं, जिन्होंने पाकिस्तान कायद-ए-आज़म मोहम्मद अली जिन्ना की सरकर्दगी में पाकिस्तान का हसूल किया। और मैं समझता हूँ कि इस तरह के प्रोग्राम बिलखुसूस, especially I am delighted to see a large number of our elected officials. We have rep here, we have the mayors of various cities, we have judges, we have law enforcement people here, and our community leaders, workers, everyone is here. तो पाकिस्तान के लिए एक जोर से नारा लगाइए, और पाकिस्तान इतना जोर से होना चाहिए जितना आप पाकिस्तान से मोहब्बत करते हैं। पाकिस्तान जिंदाबाद।
Ready, 1, 2, 3, 4, Okay, एक शॉट आउट यूएसए के लिए आवाज आनी चाहिए। चाहिए, हर स्टेट तक आवाज जानी चाहिए। पाकिस्तानियों रेडी रेडी 1 2 3 4 चक्र
Thank you so much.
आए नकदा कोका डट्टार तोका, आए नकदा कोका डट्टार तोका, लब लब चक्कियां नहीं लगदा, कुड़िया ढोल वे कलिया दिल हुण नहीं लगदा। आए कलिया दिल हुण नहीं लगदा। हाय 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 तालियां सबकी चाहिए,
सबके ऊपर चाहिए।
बुलंद चाहिए। जे लडियाला कैदी 804 होवे, तू दगा दे दे जिन्ना नल ढेर प्यार होवे। आए नकदा कोका डट्टार तोका, आए नकदा कोका डट्टार तोका, लब लब चक्कियां नहीं लगदा, कुड़िया ढोल वे कलिया दिल हुण नहीं लगदा। आए नकदा कोका डट्टार तोका, आए नकदा कोका डट्टार तोका, लब लब कुड़िया ढोल वे कलिया दिल हुण नहीं लगदा। मेरा खान सोना सुबह खाना गई माया, एक मेरा तू लीडर तुझा होर तो नहीं माया। नकदा कोका लब लब चक्कियां नहीं लगदा, कुड़िया ढोल वे कलिया दिल हुण नहीं लगदा। साडे खान दी खैर होवे। आए नकदा कोका डट्टार तोका, आए नकदा कोका डट्टार तोका, लब लब चक्कियां नहीं लगदा। डट्टार तोका, आए नकदा कोका डट्टार तोका, लब लब चक्कियां नहीं लगदा, कुड़िया ढोल वे कलिया दिल हुण नहीं लगदा। कोई क्रिकेट मैच होवे जेड़ा चक्का खान मारे शाला कभी ना कैच होवे आए नचदा तोता जट्टार तोता आए नचदा तोता जट्टार तोता लग लग टंगिया आए मुड़िया ढोला वे कलिया हुण नहीं लगदा आए नचदा